Hello guys, I just wanted to give you guys some update. I ended up in the ER and because of my extreme burning feeling on the feet, I couldn't bear the pain. I mean, it's not really pain. The painkiller doesn't do anything. In the ER, they gave me morphine, Toradol, Tylenol at the same time. Didn't do anything, didn't stop the feeling. So they admit me in the hospital right now. I'm in the room and I'm waiting for the surgeon to come and see me. I also have some infection on the wound, on the incision. So they did a lot of blood tests, and they are still doing more. And the feeling doesn't go away. They did cat what is called CT scan, and I'm just waiting for the doctor to talk to and see what can be done. This is like really like out of control. I cannot handle. I am mentally exhausted. So hopefully they can give me at least some relief. If I don't put ice under my feet, it's just feels like I'm walking on lava. That's how it feels. I'm not exaggerating. That's what it is. Uh, for now, that's what I can say. I will keep you guys updated.